Morning, guys. It is Wednesday. No, today's Thursday. Thursday morning. First thing I did was I rechecked my my head stud torque. Everything was still good. I went ahead and threw my intake cam tray on. Got that torque down. Those are 8 Newton meters and then 60 degrees. Next, I'll be attaching the sprockets, the chain, setting the timing, and then we can go ahead and start attaching our oil filter housing, our coolant lines. I'm gonna jack the motor up again. We can attach our turbo, just start getting her all buttoned up, and put the valve cover on, gasket, and she should be good to rip today. So once again, I'll keep you guys updated throughout the day on how everything's going. But I don't think there's anything stopping us from getting this thing on the road today. I have a couple of new coolant hoses on the way. I got coolant on the way, and there was one more thing that I ordered. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But anyways, we should have it on the road by the end of the day, probably sooner, depending how busy I get here at the shop. But yeah, we're doing so far so good. All right, here's your little 3 p.m. update. She's all done. I'm bleeding the coolant system now, but getting ready to start her up right now and take her for a drive. Hopefully this head is not leaking anymore. But I think we should be all good. So I'll turn the camera on once we get in the car, see how she does. All right, guys, she's running. She sounds good. Of course, it's snowing, so we can't do any crazy pulls. But she's alive again. Definitely needs to be cleaned up from all the oil and coolant that sprayed everywhere. Sheesh! Look at that thing looking clean. So we'll go on a little ride, make sure our coolant system is all good. Actually, I need to put air in my front tires. Maybe we'll go to the gas station. Guys, so as you see, car's driving, no lights again. She's back to normal. She's pulling good, even though it's a little wet out. Did a couple of 30 psi pulls, and yeah, no more coolant issue. Head gasket should be fully secured now. But yeah, we'll end the video here. As promised, we finished the car today. We're still on for Texas, and all we can do now is just keep turning it up. So I'm not sure when the next video is gonna be. I'm gonna do some cleaning on the car to get it ready for the road trip, but we'll end it here, and I'll see you guys on the next